G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at frames and video to achieve this effect. So let's get stuck straight into it. So what we need to do is first come over to elements, and I'm going to use the elements I used before, and that is a mobile phone frame. Alright, and we'll place that in the center and roughly about half, or a little bit more over. Then what we'll do is come over and choose our video, so young man jumping from sepia. Alright, so we'll select that and we'll duplicate it and we'll move that one down there. Then we'll just expand this out to the frame like so. Actually, what we'll do is we'll delete that one and duplicate that one because it's the same size. And then we just drag that into the frame like so. Double click on it, and we want to bring it as close as possible to the edge of the frame because we're going to create a out of frame experience there. Alright, now that we've got that one there, we'll just pause that one, bring that back to 0. We'll remove the background of this one by just simply clicking on background remover, and that will remove the background of the video, and we'll just make sure that that's at 0. What we need to do is drag this into the frame. So like in the previous tutorial about overlays and making sure that the overlay doesn't go into the frame, we'll click on the outer edges of the frame and we'll just simply drag that in and line it up. Alright, and that's one reason why we sort of line the frame up prior to, line the image up prior to putting it into the frame, is so we don't have to do too much of an adjustment. Now we click out of that and then we come back into elements and we just bring the same background in, and what we do here is just expand it out and drag it so it covers the full page like so, and then we just drag that back like so and put it there. Now what that should achieve, and you might have to adjust the video slightly and just send that to back. What that will do is give the, I guess the diver call it, diving into the bigger picture with a splash on the end. So just to check it, come over here to play, and hopefully both of these videos line up, and that will give the out of frame experience, and that's just the sun in the background there like so, and you'll see him splash in there and then the splash on the side. So it's just a different sort of I guess frame overlay pop out effect using videos. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, appreciate your time. If you could jump over to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button, subscribe, like and share. Also drop a comment, that'd be fantastic. Until next time, have fun with Canva. Bye for now.